In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell your first item on Poshmark. First, open the Poshmark app on your mobile device or navigate to the Poshmark website on your computer. This initial step is crucial because it gets you started on your selling journey. On the app, you should see a clean and user-friendly interface. On the website, the layout is equally straightforward. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the features available. This will make your experience smoother. Once you have successfully opened the app or website, you are ready to move on to the next step. Now you need to sign into your account or create a new one if you haven't done so yet. If you are new to Poshmark, creating an account is a quick process. Simply follow the prompts to enter your information. If you already have an account, sign in using your credentials. This step is important because it ensures that your listings will be associated with your profile. You will be able to manage your items, track sales, and connect with buyers easily. Once you are logged in, you can proceed to the next action. Next up, tap the Sell button if you're using the app or click the Sell button on the website. This action will take you to the section where you can start creating your listing. It's a straightforward step, but it sets the stage for everything that follows. You will see options to upload photos and enter details about your item. This is where the fun begins as you prepare to showcase what you are selling. At this point, you will need to upload or take clear photos of the item you want to sell. It is essential to capture multiple angles and details. Good lighting is key to making your item look appealing. Buyers are more likely to purchase items that are presented well. As you take these photos, focus on clarity and make sure to highlight any unique features. This step is crucial because clear photos help buyers feel confident in their purchase. Once you have your photos ready, you can move on to entering your listing details. Now, enter all the necessary listing details, including the title, description, category, brand, size, condition, color, and price. Each of these elements plays a significant role in attracting potential buyers. A well-crafted title and description can make your listing stand out. Additionally, accurately describing the condition of the item is vital. It builds trust with buyers and reduces the chances of returns later. When filling out these fields, take your time to ensure everything is correct. This attention to detail will pay off. After you've entered your listing details, review everything carefully. Once you are satisfied, tap Next if you are using the app, or click Next if you are on the website. This review step is where you can double-check that all information is accurate and formatted correctly. It's a simple action, but it can save you from potential issues down the line. You want to ensure that everything looks just right before moving forward. This step creates a sense of reassurance that you're ready to present your item professionally. Finally, tap List if you're on the app, or click List Item if you're using the website to publish your listing. This is the moment you have been preparing for, and it is incredibly exciting. You should see a confirmation that your item has been listed successfully. This step is important because it marks the beginning of your selling journey on Poshmark. You have now made your item available to a broad audience. Take a moment to celebrate this achievement. Remember, before listing your first item, clean it, photograph it in good lighting, and accurately describe its condition, measurements, and any flaws. Clear photos and detailed descriptions help buyers make informed decisions and reduce the likelihood of returns. With these steps completed, you are well on your way to becoming a successful seller on Poshmark. Happy selling!